It's breakfast time over here at Muscle Cook TV, and what better way to start than to give you guys an easy and tasty recipe to spice up your oatmeal. My name's Liam Mailer, this is Muscle Cook TV. What I'm going to show you is I'm going to show you some coconut chia oats. It's going to change the way you have your oatmeal every single morning, because I know you guys have been inundating us with messages just to give us some little techniques and stuff to take away from your bland oatmeal. I know you can just get your oatmeal, mix some protein powder in and mix it up and you've got a bit of flavour, but some people like to have their protein with their eggs, or they like to make some turkey bacon or bacon and have their oats as like a separate dish on the side. Now this tastes like dessert, is absolutely delicious, and some chia seeds through it just make it extra super healthy. So I'm going to go and get cracking. Wait till you see this one. Okay, so for our coconut chia porridge oats, what we want is 1 cup of rolled oats, it's the thick cut oats, along with 1 cup of almond milk and 1 cup of low fat coconut milk. Now the way we cook these is on a high heat, and you just want to keep stirring. Keep a hold of the pan and stir and stir and stir until you start to get the little bubbles. It should take maybe 2 to 3 minutes. And then once you get there, that's when we're going to start to add in our ingredients. So we're going to add in a little bit of chia seeds, maybe about a tablespoon. And then we'll add in just a touch of honey. You're already getting the sweetness from the coconut milk, but the honey just adds that little bit extra. And then we're going to stir that through. So at this point the porridge has been stirring for almost 5 minutes. So once it's ready there, all you want to do is take it off the heat and just let it sit for 1 minute to cool down. Now plating up, you're just going to pour it into a bowl and then add any condiments you like. So I've added in some banana, a little bit of cinnamon. And then just to moisten it up a little bit, finish off with a tiny little bit of almond milk. And there we go folks, that's our coconut chia porridge oats. Give it a try and remember to hit like and subscribe. Hi guys, hope you enjoyed that video. Remember to hit the like button. Now, we all know that people say that eating clean costs a lot of money. I beg to differ. That's why I've put together this plan here that shows you how you can do your full week shop within your meal plan for $75 or less. You've got a full shopping list, full meal plan, and a full guide on how to save money. All my little tips and tricks that's going to help you smash your supermarket shop every single week. So click there and you can get your free ebook, free meal plan, free shopping list, and I hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching.